In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Gmail account from an Android phone if you're trying to stop emails from syncing to your device or you're handing your phone to someone else. The key is to remove the Google account linked to that Gmail. On Android, your Gmail is part of your Google account, so removing the Google account from the phone removes Gmail from that device too. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer, and it looks like a gear icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll until you see Accounts and Backup, then tap it. Depending on your phone model, this section might be named Accounts, Users and Accounts, or Passwords and Accounts. Don't worry if the wording is slightly different. The idea is the same. You're heading to the area that manages accounts on your device. Next, choose Manage Accounts. Here you'll see a list of all accounts currently signed in on your Android phone. This includes any Google accounts, and each one will show the Gmail address associated with it. Take a moment to find the exact account you want to remove, especially if you have more than one signed in. Double check the email address so you don't remove the wrong one. Tap the account you want to remove. On the screen that opens, look for the option that says Remove Account and tap it. You'll see a confirmation prompt explaining that removing the account will stop syncing data like emails, contacts, and calendar events for that account on this device. Go ahead and confirm by tapping Remove. After a moment, the account will be unlinked and Gmail for that account will no longer appear or sync on your phone. A quick note so you know exactly what's happening. This does not delete your Gmail or your Google account itself. It only removes it from this device. Your emails, files, and photos stored in the cloud remain safe and accessible if you sign in on another phone or a computer. Also, if this was the main Google account on your device, you may notice that some Google services stop syncing until another account is added. And that's it. You've successfully removed the Gmail account from your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.